Hi everyone. In this session, we will actually understand form design. So here, right, why exactly we use form design? So using form design, right, we can actually reorder the fields on the form. So let us say customer will ask you something like, so I want to change the field order. So I want to show the field above this description field. I want to show the field above the priority field. So likewise, so if your customer asks you to reorder the form, so you will actually use form design. So consider here, I have actually created a table called transport issue table. So on this table, I have actually created multiple fields here. So here, right, when you create the fields, right, so it will actually show in a zigzag manner. So it will not actually show in a proper way. So by default, when you are creating fields, right, so by default, it will not show in a proper way. So then you can use form design. So you can actually reorder the fields. You can actually make it in a proper way. You can keep all the fields in a proper way. So here, right on the table, if you scroll little down, here you guys can see design form. So from here also you can actually design the form on the table. So or else you can do one thing. You can go to the form here. From the form, you can right click. You can go to the configure. You can go to the form design. So these are the two ways where you can actually navigate to form design, guys. Okay. So you see here both are same. This one and this one both are same. Okay. So remember one thing. I have actually created a table. On this table, I have created multiple fields. So on these fields, right? So I have after the creating fields, right? So I have to reorder the fields. So how can I reorder this? That so I can navigate to design form. So when I click on this design form and the related links on the table that we have created, so it will navigate you to this page. Okay. So suppose I want to show this related incident field just below the channel field. So I can actually reorder it. Okay. So this select the file field I want to move towards left side. So I can actually reorder the form something like this one. So here, right, you just clicked on something like this one, right? Just if you want to change something as well. So let us say this activity field you want to add just below the priority. So you are dragging and dropping here. So after that, you will actually save this one. Once it is saved, right, the form order will get changed. This will come here and this activity field come just below the priority. This related incident field will go to just below the channel field. So likewise, you can actually design the form using form design, guys. See here, the select the file field is now appearing here. Active field is appearing here. Related incident field is appearing just below the state. So something like that, I have actually reordered the form, and then now my form is looking like as customer expected. So likewise, you will actually design the form. So there are actually two ways to navigate to the form design. One is from the table directly, you can just click on design form, or if you are on the transport issue form, from the form, you will just right click, configure form design. So when you click on the form design, right, it will navigate you to the same page which it has navigated to the page. So it has navigated to the page, right? So the same page it will navigate. So when you click on configure form design, see my form is actually looking like this one. So from the form design, right? So you can actually reorder the fields. You can actually create the fields as well. If you want to create a new field, you can actually create a new field. So if you want to create a new view, you can also create a new view as well. So likewise, guys, we can use form design to reorder the form, to create new fields, and also to create new views as well. We use form design. So form design is one of the useful things that ServiceNow has introduced, which will make our life easy. So everybody get used to this form design. Whenever you are actually creating new table or reordering the fields, or if you want to create a new field, or if you want to create a new view, so we can make use of this feature that ServiceNow has actually provided us. So this is very useful feature, guys. Thank you very much.